Hi everybody, I am here today with my brand new Graphic 45 Warm Wishes mini album. This is just in time for all of those Christmas photos that you have just taken, or maybe even photos from previous Christmases. So this uses the 12 by 12 collection pack along with the patterns and solids, chipboard pieces, journaling cards, some trim from Graphic 45, and then the matte pearl gems, some cardstock, and a few other basic craft supplies, as well as some acrylic or acetate sheets and some chipboard. This album is a 4-pocket page album, and it measures 8 inches by 8.5 inches. It has a 2 3/4 inch spine. The album does have just a little tiny bit of dimension on the cover. These pieces are popped up on chipboard just to give it a little dimension. Then we've got the pearls here, and I've got some stickles. So it's just a pretty plain cover overall, so that it doesn't have a lot to get damaged, or if you're sitting it on a bookshelf, it doesn't take up a lot of space. It is held together with a ribbon closure. This is the Graphic 45 trim. So opening the album up, it has a very common theme running throughout the pages. So on the front and back covers, I have a pocket with a photo mat that holds 2 photos here. This pocket is large, so there is room for more photo mats if you wanted to place more. The album is matted right now to hold 79 photos. Each page is going to have an acetate pocket on it that has one of the journaling cards from the collection. And the journaling card will pull out of the pocket. I put a little tab on the top to make it easier to pull out, and then room for journaling. I think these journaling cards are so pretty, and I hate gluing them into my album, so I decided to try the acetate pockets and see what I thought, and I think it's really nice. This page ties closed. This opens up here, room for a photo. This is open, so a photo will slip underneath of it. Then here, with one of the stickers backed by cardstock, I have a smaller photo mat for a 3x4 photo on each side. Then this opens up, and it's a photo spread for 3 more photos. In each of the pockets on the side between the pages, there is a large photo mat. They all look the same, so they've got room for a 4x6 and 2 3x3 photos. This is open, so the photo will slip underneath of it. And then the back side is the same, minus a sticker on the top. And then that will just slide right down between the pages, the large pocket there. You could also make this into a booklet, and you could add more photo mats here if you really needed room for more photos. On the next page, we have another one of the journaling cards pulls out. So I've alternated the pages with the portrait and landscape orientation for the journaling cards. There's a swing tab here from one of the chipboard pieces. Then this opens up. A pocket with a small photo mat, room for 2 photos there. And then this flips down. This is open on the top and the bottom, so the photos will slide up underneath there, and room for a smaller photo on the bottom flap. This one opens up. Again, the journaling card comes out of the top. Room for a photo here. Smaller photo mat for 2 photos. One of the stickers backed on cardstock as a tuck spot. This is open here for the photo to slide behind. And then this opens up for a spread with 6 more photos. All of these corners of this piece are open so that a photo will slide underneath it. The only section that is adhered is the center section. Again, there's another large photo mat here in the pocket. This one is a triple pocket. So we've got the pocket here with the journaling card. Then the pocket behind the journaling card, I have a photo booklet. These are open, so the photos will slide behind the paper, and then room for a photo on the back. These hold 4x6 photos, so there's plenty of space for full-size photos, as well as smaller photos. Then this is a photo booklet. I really like how this turned out. So this opens up and there's room for 3 photos here. This is stationary on the page. And then on the back, there's room for a photo. This is also popped up on some cardstock so that you can tuck a photo behind that sticker. This page is a waterfall. So the journaling card does come out of the front window. Each of these has a photo mat on the back. Room for 5 photos there. Then just one of the cards this is from one of the cut aparts from the 12 by 12. It's just adhered to the page. Another large photo mat in the pocket. On this page, there is a swing tab that opens both of these tabs. This one here has the journaling card. They both open to the side, room for 2 photos here. And then the pocket has a photo mat. This is open for a photo to slip under and a photo on the back. This pocket does have room for additional photo mats if you wanted to place more in that pocket. And this just holds that closed. On this page here, we have the journaling card here, and then a tie closure at the top. This one flips down, so there is room here. See if I can get this in frame. There we go. Room for a photo. This is open to place the photo underneath of it. And then here we have a tuck spot from one of the stickers backed on cardstock with a small photo mat. And then this opens up. So there is a spread for 5 additional photos here. These sides are open so the photo will slide underneath of it. Then this will tie closed here to keep that whole page closed. There's another photo mat here in the pocket. The last page, we have the journaling card that pulls out. We have a swing tab that swings down. This page swings open this way, room for a photo here, as well as here on the back. And then there's a belly band here with a photo mat that has room for 2 photos on the front. This is open, so the photos will slide under, and then 2 more photos on the back. And then mirror image of the front cover. The back cover just has a pocket, one of the cut apart cards, and then a small photo mat. And there is room for more here if you wanted to place more photo mats or even loose photos in this pocket. The back cover is just a piece of the beautiful collection papers, and that's the same as on the spine. So this mini album does have a tutorial for sale. I will link that to my website and also to my Etsy shop. The tutorial is cheaper in my website because I don't have to pay as many fees as I do on Etsy. So you can purchase from either my website or on Etsy. Both of them will be linked in the description below. If you are interested in purchasing this actual album itself and not making it, I will have this listed for sale on my website as well. So you can check that out. It'll also be listed in the description box below. If you are looking for the papers to create your own mini album, you can go to g45papers.com. This was made for one of my Graphic 45 brand ambassador projects for 2022. So I have to thank them for all of the supplies that they gave me to make this album. As always, thank you for watching and have a great day.